come up with a very exciting challenge, which is the Gujarati Food Challenge. I'm planning to make a series on having and trying out the food of different states for 24 hours. So in that only series, I'm doing a challenge which is a Gujarati Food Challenge for 24 hours. So in this challenge, I'll basically be eating only and only Gujarati foods for 24 hours. Okay. And also guys, if I mispronounce some words, please do forgive me because I'm not so well versed with Gujarati food. It's my first time I'm going to be having most of the things. So first again, I'm saying sorry if I mispronounce some words. So now I'm going to start with my breakfast. So today for breakfast I'm going to have methi theplas. This is basically made from wheat flour in which some fenugreek leaves, that is methi ka pattas, fresh are chopped with some chopped and put with some spices and salt and all of that, and it is made like a roti. But it's a little bit more finer, and you can see how fine it is. And you can either have it with ketchup or dahi or whatever, but today I'm planning to have it plain. So let's have it. So hi guys, welcome back. So the last meal we had was breakfast, and after breakfast I got a little bit busy. So I did not have anything. So now directly I'll have lunch. So we'll go and prepare lunch first. So now today for lunch we have some Gujarati khichdi and papad. So let's eat it. So guys, I'm done with my lunch. It was really tasty. Also Gujarati people have like light lunch and light dinner and stuff. So it was something new for me as well. I'm not used to having such light lunches. But it was really tasty and filling. And I'll see you all in my next meal. Hi guys, welcome back. A very good evening to all of you. So now it's around 4:30. So now I'll have my chai with some Gujarati snacks. So today for Gujarati snacks I have a khakra, that is a methi masala khakra, some fafdas and some bhakar vadis. So let's have it. papadas are mainly made up of besan. It's a very unique flavor. So now let me try the khapra. Khapras are basically like our chapatis, which is just nicely toasted to a texture that is so crunchy and crispy that it just breaks the crisp. Did you hear it? And this is bakar vadis, which is basically maida in which some nice spicy filling is put and it is rolled like a pinwheel and then fried. Very tasty. My favorite snack. It has lovely fennel flavor in it. So here, my snacks are done. They were really tasty and spicy, and they had subtle flavor also and spicy flavor also. Really tasty. I really enjoyed my snacks. So now I'll see if I get hungry again, or I'll see you directly for dinner. Hi guys, welcome back. So now it's 9 o'clock and it's dinner time. I wanted to have something at around 7 o'clock. I was hungry, but then I was out with some work and I got really busy there. And I've just come back home. Half an hour it's become. Just half an hour and just come back home. So I thought I'll have my dinner, and for dinner today I have some yummy Gujarati farsan. We have doklas, kothambir vadi, khandvis and some patras. So let's have it. These doklas are made from besan, which is then further steamed, making it a very healthy dish. Kothambir vadi is also made from besan and kothmeet, that is coriander. Khandvi is again made from besan, where it is rolled into such kind of logs, I can say. They are very soft. And this is patras, which is made from aloo vadi, and over that a mixture of besan and some spices are spreaded over, and then it's rolled and then steamed. This is it. So let's enjoy our dinner. So soft. So I'm going to have it with some chutney that I got. So soft. Just crumbling up. Now let's have a kothambir vadi. This is the kind of has some layers inside. And I've tried some khandvi. I've never tried this before, guys. My first time. This khandvi has a real very subtle flavor, like very mildly, not even I cannot even say spiced up, but it's really tasting nice. And I think this was a tadka on it of rye and all that. Really nice. I'm going to have this patras. Kind of sweetish taste, but overall a good plate. Let's have dinner and enjoy it. I've never tried so much of Gujarati food. I've only tried out dhoklas and patras, but never this kothambir vadi and kandvi. It was a very nice experience for me because there is a bit of sweetness, a bit of spiciness, salt, just like a mix of flavors, and it's really tasting good together. So here guys, I'm done with my dinner. It was quite filling. I did not think it would be so much filling. I thought like it's just snacks like farsan, but no, it's really very filling and very tasty too. So now, and here are some jalebis for my dessert. These are also made from maida and some baking powder and some color, and they are dipped in sugar syrup and they're really delicious to eat. Look how delicious they look. So now I'm done with the Gujarati challenge. I hope you all enjoyed this challenge as I enjoyed doing it. And also now I'm really tired because I had a really very busy day today and I would like to just go and sleep. So I'll just freshen up and I'm just going to hit the bed and I'll call it a day. Also guys, if you all have watched it earlier, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that post notification bell so that you can get notified each time I post a new video. Also hit that like button so that I know you all are really liking what content I'm making. Also, if you all have any other video suggestions or recommendations, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you all with another video. Till then, bye.